As the relentless regulatory scrutiny of Libra continues, the major players quit Libra. On Friday, MasterCard and Visa made an official announcement about their association with Facebook's Libra. And the news is not good. This happens exactly a week after PayPal bid goodbye to Libra, an ambitious project. Following suit, eBay, Stripe and Mercado Pago exited the Libra support group. Facebook's stablecoin seems to be experiencing the domino effect of PayPal's withdrawal. Consequently, its support group currently does not include any major payment company. Is that it for the coin? Undoubtedly, being under the regulatory knife for so long is no fun. But Facebook's project continues to forge ahead as assured by Dante Despart. He is currently the head of policy and communication of the Libra Association. According to Dante, the members will keep changing over time, but the team's focus is to march ahead. He added that Libra will keep on building stronger associations with major players. Likewise, David Marcus, head of Libra, shared a word of caution. He said these withdrawals will not determine the fate of the project. The impact is going to have a short-term effect. He tweeted, "I would caution against reading the fate of Libra into this update." Of course, it is not great news in the show. You can read full post on Cryptofans News, link available in text below.